Good morning, everybody. It is Friday, April 17th, and you guys know what time it is. Let's get into the prices of these cryptocurrencies. We are up all across the board today. Almost 10% gains on some cryptocurrencies. Let's start off with Bitcoin, which is at $7,068.24, up 6.3% from yesterday. Ethereum crushing it, up 11% in 24 hours, $170.14. Dash up 9% from yesterday at $75.89. And Litecoin up 7.6% at $42.04. Hopefully there's something juicy in the news to explain why this is happening, so join us later today when we cover the top news articles written in the last 24 hours. Don't forget to like this Facebook page, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and we will see you later today.